We'll guide you through how to use the Calendly Standard Plan. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Calendly website. Log in with your credentials or create an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard here. You can create new event types or manage existing ones. To create a new event, click on the Create button and even type. You can choose between one-on-one or group events. After selecting the event type, give your event a name and add a location. If it's a virtual meeting, you can integrate Zoom or Google Meet. Set the duration of the meeting and choose the available dates and times. Calendly allows you to set buffers between meetings to avoid back-to-back scheduling. You can also personalize your event links. Your event is now ready to be shared with others. Simply copy the link and send it to your invitees. They can select a time that works for both of you, and Calendly will automatically add the event to your calendar. With the standard plan, you can also integrate various calendars like Google Calendar, Outlook, or iCloud, ensuring all your meetings are synchronized. The plan includes customization options for email notifications and reminders, helping you keep track of your appointments. Finally, check out the analytics section to review your scheduling patterns and make adjustments as needed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.